we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done.
Karen here from HomesteadHow. Welcome to our homestead. In today's episode, we're going to take y'all along with us on a little camping trip. Baxter's going too. We've been on lockdown in our house for like 100 days or something like that. We've taken this camper out on a few day trips. We've really tested it out. The generator's working, the toilet's working, the water's working, the shower works, water heater. So Jen found today, kind of last minute, a campground about 45 minutes from here that is completely vacant. The lady said that there's only about 6 other people there and they're seasonal, so they're probably not even there. And the place has a pool, so we're looking to just get away from the homestead for a night, use our camper, maybe the girls can go swimming, and have a change of scenery, but still be safe during the virus that's going around because there's basically nobody else there and it's midweek. The girls just finished school, so it's kind of the start of summer vacation, and the dogs want to get the heck out of the house too, so come along with us on our little camping trip. So one of the things we're doing is packing the refrigerator full of food. We're only going to be gone for 24 hours, but we got some popsicles the other day.
Really?
And got some chips, some plates, some oranges, some water. Katie, what are we forgetting? Are you warm? It's really warm out. It's going to be about 80 today before we leave because I know I'm going to be waiting for everybody to get everything. I'm going to turn the air conditioning on in here. This thing really cools things down quickly, so I'll get it nice and cool in here before we leave, and then we can actually run that while we're driving. I just have to turn the generator on. You want me to just shut up? Okay,
What are you doing now?
I'm unhooking us from our house power. That's it. We're ready to go.
This is exciting.
Oh, the good times just begun. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life.
So Jen's driving us to the campsite. I don't know why. Why don't I drive, Jen?
You're terrible.
Because you love to drive?
The future is bright.
Hey, are we playing? Stop! It's getting me wet, Katie! What are you doing? Why is there water coming off the roof? Are we gonna play poker?
Yes.
How much? You guys have any money? Is it gonna be worth my time? I'm not playing for 50 cents.
I have more money than you.
How much are we gonna bet for? Let's decide right now.
I don't have any money.
We're going camping. What do you guys want to do?
Swim.
What did you say? I can't hear you whispering.
Swim!
What?
Your mom!
Swim in a pond?
Yes. No.
What do you want to do?
Swim.
What?
Swim!
Where?
There!
Jen, what do you want to do?
That.
Louder!
Relax!
X-Lax?
Yes!
We'll have to stop and get some.
Okay.
That's not going to be good for the camping toilet.
We got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm.
Where are we, girls?
Wilderness campground.
Going over there. Me and Alyssa are gonna do
Apparently
flips off
the
the top
water is
thing.
warm. Let's go see again.
Yeah, but there's nobody here.
We should that like 20 times.
Even if it's raining out, we're going swimming. Me and Alyssa are gonna do flips off the top.
So we're at the Wilderness Campground in Montello, and it's pretty awesome. Jen called around a whole bunch of places to find us something secluded. So we specifically went during the week, and we specifically asked to give us something not near anybody else. All these sites are empty. There's one camper over there, but it's like a seasonal one. No one's even staying there. And then the big swimming thing over there is what the girls are excited to use, and there's nobody over there, so we basically have this whole campground to ourselves right now.
Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon, side by side and through and to what we can do. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but think.
So yesterday I think I ate a pancake and then it wasn't cooked all the way, so I spit it out and then I walked in the living room and I ate it because and when I ate the piece I spit out because she said it looked fluffy. But then I spit
Was
it
it
out.
fluffy, Emma?
I
Was it
spit
fluffy?
it. No, it had butter on it. It was disgusting.
Are you sure that was
probably just
butter?
my spit. Yeah, and Alyssa's too.
Alyssa, who's your favorite actor? Why is he your favorite actor?
I don't know, because he's in like every movie.
Oh yeah, he's not cute at all, is he?
No, he's like 80 years old. Mom has a crush.
They're talking about The Rock.
Don't take your guns to
So,
Jumanji too.
what do you want to do right now?
Swim.
Swim.
And and s'mores. I want s'mores.
S'mores while you swim? You want mom to make you a s'more and you can take it out in the pond with you and eat it in the water?
Are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it. Oh, we don't need no more. Oh, even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm.
Lily, what are you doing?
Making chili.
Let's go. Hopefully we have a pot to cook it in.
Now where do I put this that has raw stuff all over it?
So Lily's got the ground beef going. And then I found the can opener finally and I got this open. Now I gotta open these up too. Smart, right?
No.
Look at my beautiful can opening job. Isn't that impressive?
No.
I have little shards of metal in there.
You and I, we got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm.
So pretty. So alone. Oh boy. We walked.
I've sprained my ankle before and this is what it felt like. Give me a minute to laugh. What? I was doing amazing things and then
You were. I was so happy to see you dancing, and then I turned the camera on and I saw you fall. You need help, Grandma?
yeah, I actually can't breathe.
Come on, Grandma.
Emma,
Hi.
what's going on? Are you enjoying camping?
Yes, it's fun. We just went on a paddle boat.
I'm falling off.
Look at, we have the whole section B of the campground to ourselves. There's nobody over here. Literally on either side of us. We have this lake view.
We're gonna go swimming again and then you have s'mores.
I have allergies, so I keep coughing. And then every time I cough, I worry.
That's not how you cough. You cough.
Every time I cough, I worry that I have the coronavirus, and then I go like this. Look, I smell my arm hair because it's really pungent,
That's disgusting.
and then it smells. You gotta smell it. Smell it.
smelling it.
And then, because if you get coronavirus, you lose your sense of smell. So when I smell this pungent arm hair, it smells like, right now, it smells like sawdust and dynamite and Folgers coffee.
Ooh.
And fresh roasted peanuts over here. Then I know I don't have the coronavirus anymore. What are you up to right now?
I'm making food for everyone.
Why do you always have to make everyone food?
Because I'm good at it.
Add a T to the end of your sentences.
Because I'm good at it.
Do you want to go here for your birthday?
Yeah. Yeah, I actually do.
Just you and your sisters?
Yeah. Yeah, not you guys.
Oh.
Oh! Lily's my sister.
Do you want us to drive you off here and you can just stay in the camper all night?
Yeah, and go swimming on our own.
And make sandwiches and drink soda pop?
Yes.
And,
Yes.
and you just
We're
want
gonna have a
to
party. We're gonna go shot,
smell
shot.
your arm hair all night? Does your arm hair smell?
It smells like my lotion.
Okay, then you don't have coronavirus. Katie, does your arm hair smell?
See that?
No.
Oh gosh, Katie's got it. Alyssa, smell your arm hair.
Yeah.
Does it smell? Yes or no? What does it smell like? What does it smell like?
My armpits don't even.
Smell like a stinky pit?
It smells like the lake. It smells like McDonald's onions.
That'd be your armpits, Emma.
That's what. Oh, someone's armpits.
You and I, we got it.
She's got the hair thing going on. Finally, guys, she's feeling better. Thank the Lord.